When you crack your knuckles, it's all about a quick change in pressure inside your joints. When you pull or bend your finger, you stretch the joint capsule, causing the pressure inside to drop. This lower pressure makes dissolved gases, mostly nitrogen and carbon dioxide, in your synovial fluid form tiny bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, you hear that familiar pop, a process known as cavitation. And despite what some might say, research shows that cracking your knuckles occasionally isn't linked to arthritis. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe for more fun science facts.